my vision board for 2024, and trust me, every single thing in this piece of paper has now become my reality, and you can do the same for 2025. This is the only video you'll be needing to understand how to make a vision board that actually works. So let's get started. Hi, this is Mahi, and let's quickly understand what is a vision board. So, this is your conscious brain and this is your subconscious brain. Your conscious brain can understand what is right and what is wrong, what is reality and what is a dream. Whereas conscious mind can tell the difference, subconscious mind cannot tell the difference. So, the songs you listen, the movies you watch, anything you watch and anything that is surrounded around you and you watch repetitively goes directly into your subconscious brain. Anything you speak repetitively, it thinks that it is your reality, and that's how manifestation works. Vision board is one of the techniques of manifesting something into your reality. So, visuals. Vision board is full of pictures you want to become your reality. Once you made the vision board and you keep repeating it, you watching it again and again, and it is in front of you anywhere, your subconscious will think that it is your reality and it will signal your brain into thinking and taking actions towards those reality. And that's how a vision board works. Now, how to make a vision board that actually works? There are certain do's and there are certain don'ts. So let's first understand what you should not do. Number one is don't take any random vision board available on internet and call it your own. There are certain reasons behind it. We'll discuss that in further video. Number two, you shouldn't do is, for example, I want to have money in my life. So don't take a random picture of money and put it on your vision board. That's not the correct way to do it. And number three, don't take random things. For example, again the money. So if you want money in your life and if you have planned a certain amount that you want to earn by the end of 2025, it is very specific, right? That number is very specific. Now you just put a random picture of money. It signals that you want money, but how much money? You have to be more specific, less random. Now what you should do, and it will also clarify why you shouldn't do those things. There are three important things. Emotions and intentions are currency of manifesting anything. So number one, set very clear intentions where you want to be in the end of 2025, and once you set your intentions, you're halfway there. Now, you have to be very specific. Don't just put up random pictures like, okay, I want to have money, I want to have this, I want to have that. Yeah, you want to have that, but how much, when, in which ways? You have to be very specific. Because if you just signaling random things, you will get random things. So if you have very clear intentions, make it very clear in your vision boards as well. And now another don't is, don't just focus on materialistic things. That will come, but intentions. For example, you want a certain qualities in yourself. Now, if you want to earn money, how will you get that money? You have to be hardworking, you have to be disciplined, you have to have certain job to get it, you want ways. So you can also put up those things, you can put how. For example, you want a specific job, you want a marketing job, or you want a finance job, or you want to be a doctor or anything. So you want to earn money, but you want to earn money through that job. So you also put up that job in your vision board. Now, which type, for example, if you want to become a doctor, which qualities will you have when you become that doctor? Hardworking. You have certain kindness in you because you're a doctor. You have to be patient to handle your patients. But yeah, empathy, kindness, all those emotions, that will make you an amazing and great doctor. So be very specific. So if you want a certain thing, how you want it and which qualities will you need to get to your final destination. You want to be very specific. The more you're specific, the faster you know, the clarity you have in your brain, it will work amazing for you. Also, you watching this video, this makes me realize that you're the one who's really motivated and pumped up for 2025. So this is your sign to comment down any one thing that you want to have in 2025, and after an year you should come back to see if you have achieved it yet or not. So comment that down. Now let's go through a proper process that how will you do using those do's and don'ts. So I'll take a notepad or anything which you're comfortable with, and you start writing what you want and how you want it and which qualities you want to get each of it, right? So you start writing that in your notepad, and that you do that for a week. So what happens normally with me is once I'm done making my vision board, I feel like, oh, I forgot that. So I remember it randomly after I made it. So that happens a lot with a lot of people. So take your time before making your vision board. Don't just do it on a single day. Okay, I want these random things, these are random pictures, I'm gonna print it and we are done. That's not how you make your vision board. That's not customized, that's not your personalized vision board, and that might or might not work in the ways you want, right? So what you'll do is, in your notes app or somewhere where you want to write it, take a complete week, and even if you think you're done, wait for a while. So write whatever you want, how you want it, which qualities you want to have while you get that. So once you're done with it, like try to consider every aspect, like in terms of finances, in terms of relationships like friendships and other relationships. Consider your personal life, your academics, if you're even a student, and consider every, like your health. Don't skip your health. Your health is important as well. Consider your mental health, where you want to be emotionally. Focus on your self growth, self development, which hobbies you want to possess, and please don't put up Louis Vuitton or random luxury brands on your vision board. That's not how it's gonna work. Okay, it might work, but it's not how you do it properly. Write those things down very clearly with intentions and keep editing it till a week or even 2 weeks if you have time. And that's why I thought of doing it in November already, because then you have 1.5 months to do it completely. Number 2 is finding correct pictures that suits very particularly to your those set of things you've written in your notes, right? Now here comes the intentions. If I want a clear skin, being a girl, everyone wants a clear skin, right? But I take any random girl's clear skin, that might or might not work for me. But if you keep searching it, that's why it takes time. You don't do it just in a one day. So you search and search on Pinterest, and in whichever picture you resonates, like it feels like, okay, this is how I want to be. Take only those pictures where you feel that connection, because it will do something to your brain. It will make you feel something whenever you look at it. So emotions and intentions are, these two things helps wonderfully. See, that's why I said it's your personalized vision board. This is your vision board. You can also take multiple pictures of a one particular aspect. So if you want, say in career perspective, so also want multiple jobs, or you want very specific things, like if you are a doctor and you want to get into a certain level or in a certain hospital or something like that, you can take a multiple pictures, and you can manifest and take very small things as well in the vision board. For example, I am almost 20 now, and I hadn't had certain documentations of my own cleared till now, and I wanted that. It is a very small thing, yeah, but I wanted that in this year because I was turning 20 this year, and I wanted every documentation of my being cleared. So I've kept a picture of a file where there are certain documents. So a picture like that, and then another picture where it is like a stamp saying verified. So for these two things being together, it makes like my every documentation get cleared this year, and it did. Make sure that you can take multiple pictures and make it something that resonates to you, because it's your vision board, and it is very important to make this vision board your vision board for it to come true in the ways you want. You customize. Now there are two ways you can do this. What you can do is put all those pictures in a one page and print it out, cut it out, and paste in a huge board or canvas, whatever you like to do. What I personally did last year was very budget friendly thing to do is I didn't put a lot of pictures in one page, print it out and cut it out and do these things. What I did simply is open Canva and make my vision board there only. And then I directly printed the vision board. So I only had to have one page and my vision board is done. No cutting, pasting and no time afterwards. But I invested all of my time beforehand to make my vision board my very own vision board. As I said before, that qualities you want to possess is something also you should include. So what I did is also, for example, discipline. So what I did is also use pictures where disciplined word is written. So there are two ways to inculcate your qualities in vision board. Is number one is you can do is randomly find pictures where those qualities are written on Pinterest. For example, search discipline or quotes related discipline. So you can take a quote, you can take a word discipline, you can take self-care, or you can take a picture where one is doing self-care, whatever resonates to you more. That could be words, that could be a picture, anything, any quality that makes sense to you. Making sense to other doesn't matter, because this vision board is again yours. Aesthetic would matter, because I am someone who try to be aesthetic on daily basis just to romanticize my life. But again, this is your vision board and you're not doing it to show it off to anybody else. It is your very own. So you don't necessarily have to match aesthetic of every picture. What you try to do is take pictures that resonates to you, that you feel like, okay, this should be me, okay, I belong there, this belongs to me. There is certain level of connection. Any picture that, signals your brain, oh wow, oh I wanna be that, oh I am that, because you are gonna be that in a year. As I said before, every single thing on my vision board has now become my reality, and I am gonna reveal those things and how it came true and what it was with proofs and pictures, so that even I can someday look back to these videos and you can also get the inspiration. You can also get to know that vision board actually works, and it worked for me and how it worked for me, and that's gonna be a part of another video. This is a series where I'm gonna teach you how to make vision board that actually works, what was in my vision board and how it came true for 2024, and also how to set goals. So goal setting video for these 3 videos will prep you so good for next year that you're gonna be so focused, so motivated, and you're gonna have amazing 2025. I don't know when are you watching, and if you're watching this in December end, so happy new year. Although it's just November right now, I can't process that 2025 is coming, but I hope you're enjoying this festive time. Christmas is coming. I'm so excited and so happy. And also comment down your goals for 2025.